Welcome to Ruhe's detailed installation guide for your new digital 4-in-1 piano shower panel. Follow these easy steps to guarantee a flawless setup. Begin by firmly securing the brass legs to your shower area's designated water source points. These legs form the foundation for the panel and ensure proper water flow. So, double check that they are tightly fitted. Next, attach the flanges and slide the washers into place. These components are essential to provide additional stability and prevent leaks, so ensure they are snugly aligned and locked in position. It's now time to mount the piano shower panel onto the wall. Carefully screw it in place using a lever to make sure it's perfectly aligned. This step is crucial to ensure both practicality and looks. Once the panel is mounted, attach the long shower arm on top of it. Don't forget to fix the hook where your hand shower will rest. Anchor the shower arm securely to the wall using the provided fittings to keep it steady. This will prevent wobbling and ensure the long-term durability of your shower system. Screw in the overhead shower and connect the tubes for the hand shower and spray gun. Make sure all connections are tight and leak-proof for optimal water pressure and performance. Then slide the hand shower into position, making sure it's secure. Your luxurious 4-in-1 digital piano shower panel is now ready to use. Thank you for choosing Ruhe.